Unraveling the Mysteries of Blockchain Explorer. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing aspect of the digital world called Blockchain Explorer. This tool is essential for anyone interested in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a Blockchain Explorer is, how it works, and why it's so important. So, let's get started. A Blockchain Explorer is an online tool that allows anyone to view and analyze all the transactions that have ever occurred on a blockchain. Think of it as a search engine, but instead of searching the web, you're searching a blockchain. It provides a detailed view of the blockchain's transactions, including the amount of cryptocurrency transferred, the sender and receiver's addresses, and the time of the transaction. This transparency is a fundamental principle of blockchain technology. To use a Blockchain Explorer, you don't need any special software or permissions. It's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. When you enter a transaction ID, an address, or a block number into the Explorer, it retrieves and displays detailed information about it. This includes, but is not limited to, the transaction history of a wallet, the contents of a specific block, or the transaction paths of cryptocurrencies. It's a powerful tool for verifying transactions and understanding the flow of digital currencies. Blockchain explorers are not just for tech enthusiasts or investors. They're vital for transparency and trust in the blockchain ecosystem. They allow users to verify transactions independently, ensuring that a blockchain operates as intended. For instance, if you send Bitcoin to a friend, you can use a Blockchain Explorer to confirm that the transaction was successful and recorded on the blockchain. Additionally, explorers are crucial for developers and analysts who study blockchain networks and their performance. Beyond individual transactions, blockchain explorers provide insights into the overall health and status of a blockchain network. They can show information about the network's hash rate, the total number of blocks mined, and the current difficulty of mining. Some explorers also offer features like tracking the distribution of a cryptocurrency across wallets, identifying the largest transactions in a given period, and even following the activity of known wallets. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of Blockchain Explorer. It's a tool that embodies the principles of transparency and open access that are central to blockchain technology. Whether you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast, a developer, or just curious about the digital world, understanding how to use a Blockchain Explorer can enrich your knowledge and experience with blockchain. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Remember, learning about blockchain is a journey, and every step takes you closer to mastering this revolutionary technology. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.